Hello everyone! Today I'm making Tres Leches cake or 3-meal cake, which is a very popular dessert from Latin America. First time I have tried this dessert in Cabo about 10 years ago, and since then it has become one of my favorite desserts. My son's birthday is coming up, so it will be a great surprise for him. He is a big fan. You can find a list of ingredients in the description of this video. Okay, let's bake. Step number 1. In a medium bowl, combine flour, baking powder and salt. Separate yolk and egg whites into 2 containers. Add 1½ cup of sugar to the egg yolks. Beat yolks with electric mixer on the high speed for about 2 minutes or until it turns pale yellow. Then stir in 1/3 cup of milk and vanilla extract. Pour the egg yolk mixture over the flour mixture and combine using spatula. Make sure you don't overmix. Using an electric mixer, beat the egg white on the high speed for about 1 minute. Then add remaining sugar, 1/6 of the cup, and beat with the mixture on high speed for another minute. Combine flour and egg white mixture together with a spatula. Now pour the mixture into the casserole dish. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for about 30 minutes. You can use toothpick to check if it's ready. If toothpick come out clean, it's baked. Step number 2. Let cake cool down. In the meanwhile, you can create 3-milk mixture by combining evaporated, condensed and whole milk. Mix it well with a spatula. Using the fork, make holes in the cake across the entire surface. Pour milk mixture on top and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Ideally, you will let it soak overnight. And finally, step number 3. Right before serving, create whipping cream by beating heavy cream, sugar and vanilla until firm peaks. And cover the cake with the whipping cream. You can use pastry decorator. Optionally, you can add some berries and sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Cake came out super moist and was eaten extremely fast. Let me know if you like this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon.